Hey friends, greetings from Test and Review, and today I'm gonna review a very unique design sound speaker from Divoom. So I received this product with this gift box, right? So like this, and it's like I was so curious to see what is inside and how it looks like. Yeah, and when I open it, it's like a compact package. Let me show you how it was like that. All time I show the product review, like open the box and show you what it has inside and how it looks. But this one is the first time. At first I opened and I checked. So let me show you how it was. It was like with this little box, and like this. I want to keep this on. It's like this. It's a door little, right, box. It looks really cute and impressive. It's a great gift. It's a great gift. It's unique gift. For your beloved ones. For your younger ones. Those who are looking for a speaker and including all other stuff like a little game or like a display with different lighting, LED lighting, and also the sound, the alarm clock, and also daytime, all the things. I'm already I love this product so much. So so if I remove the display protector and all the stickers, so see the product texture, the color combination, like see, and the finishing of the product. It looks so elegant and cute, right? Isn't it? And they have a joystick and it's a golden color. Beside this keyboard, it looks so nice, and there have one button for music direct play, and this is the gear. So we will check how this gear works in the display. And this keyboard sound is mechanical keyboard, I think. Yes, you can use the micro SD here. Here's the micro SD card and the charging port and the power on off option. So if I power on, great. So now let me connect this product. So here they have the barcode for downloading the app. So if I download, and it says connect, and it's very quiet and the music sound is very soft. And they have a huge bass as well. So I can also use to receive the phone call. So here it's like ringing. That means if I call, and I can communicate by this speaker as well. So now the gaming part. very interesting that you can use this gear, yeah, for select the option. First you have to go to the menu, and there have, it's like, now you have to select the music, and then if you go left menu, left or right is the game. You can play game. It's like the video game we play normally, I mean small video game. And the sound system, alarm clock, and the display, they have LED display with different lighting. They have a scheduler, voice memo, and a lot of things. So yeah, I mean the main thing of this device is like the sound system. The sound system is really insane, very interesting. So I want to keep this one beside my table as well. So yeah, I mean, if you want, it's really a good time to give a gift, yeah, to your friends or family or the kids, yeah, in this Christmas time. So yeah, and it's not so expensive. It's like 55 to 60 dollar or euro. So if you spend a couple of bucks more, I will get a very good one, and you will see the best smile when your kids or your friends receive this gift. And I'm pretty sure they will call you and they will say to you that yeah, it's a good one. And whenever you will visit them, you will see this one in front of their desk or beside their side table, bed side table. So it's time to be a good memory with your friends and family by this little gift. Thanks, and please do the comments below, and which product or gift do you want to buy, and do you want me to review for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, as we are now more than 30,000 members, and you guys made me today to do the collaboration with different companies, and I try to help you to provide valuable information with by doing research and finding from all the products the best product, bring it in front of to you. And thanks to Divoom for their best quality product to send it to me. Thanks. Have a nice rest of the day. Bye bye.